This is a video about how to make a Flickr album and place photos in that album on your tablet. This is an Android tablet, and I'm told an Apple tablet will be similar in operation. First thing you will need is to go to the Flickr app. This should be downloaded before you start and set up. So let's click on the Flickr app. This one happened to come up with my account. The settings are on the side. This is kind of a general purpose, something if you want to search, but because the app is set up based on your Flickr email address and password, it knows who you are. Okay? Now, we've recently uploaded a photo or photos, and they are listed on the screen. You can see I uploaded some few days ago, but for this test I just uploaded one, and we're going to then make that into an album. Before we get to that, let's look at the selections on the top. You can see the albums that are involved, and there's really only two on here that are most important now. Is look at your albums, and the camera roll is really the photos. That's individual photos are shown on the screen. So the next step is to tap select, and then there's a small circle near the photos. Typically they're in batches. This was one that was uploaded. This is another batch that was uploaded. So if you click it, it'll be the batch. So if you upload, I suggest you upload batches at a time. We're just going to do that one. You put the check mark there near that. And as that is done, hope it can be seen on the screen, but there are four icons at the bottom of my screen. And we're going to click on the second from the left, and it says add to an album. Now, we don't have an album yet. If we had an album, we could load it directly to the album, and we could select the albums on the left. If we wanted to load that photo to an existing album, we could choose those, but we're going to create an album. And we're just going to put in, this is going to be just a test. We'll put in some numbers here. So what we're actually doing here is we create the name of an album. The names can be changed at any time. We're going to tap on save, and now you see that photo is in this test album. We're going to click done and done, and now we go back to our albums. And there is the album called Test 6789 with one photo in the album.